Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This is live price prediction of BTT. What's going on this time? And I've never missed this update. Otherwise, you completely lost my mother. You know what's the main reason? You can see just only they fails down. BTT is fails down. So what's the main reason? Absolutely, I will tell you. I prepared this one. I do technical analysis to upcoming time. Can there is a chance to them moving forward or not? Let's get started this brand video. But kindly before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. You can see the chain graph last 7 days is plus 8.77%. The price is increased now. This time you can see here 0.0044 USD dollar is the latest price of BTT. Absolutely, BTT is in the profit, so you need to hold. And if you have any plan to invest more than exactly, I think this time is going to be very good now, because in the start of month, if they moving upwards, it's mean to the mid of month they will broke all records. They will make you millionaire. If you want to invest in this time, absolutely the price is very cheap, so go now, invest and hold it and wait for a good time. I hope my brother BTT will gonna be viral in upcoming times, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. So if we check out the last 1 hour chart, what's going on is in this current time, absolutely we understand, my brother, to really can there is a chance, my friends, to in the second week they're moving upward. So as you can see, my brother, after a very huge jump they fell down, but I think this is short fail, so don't see this short fail. If we check out the last 4 hour chart, then we understand to really this is short fails or not. So as you can see here, absolutely this is short fails, because after you can see here, after a jump they fails down, and after a jump they fails down. You can see here after a fails they also take a very huge jump. So after this jump they also fails down like that. So I hope after this fails they also take a very huge jump. So I think this is very good point to use. Buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching BTT holder. Please like this video and remember to subscribe this channel for more this type latest update and absolutely production videos. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.